Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ShareASale affiliate tracking for better commission reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install ShareASale affiliate tracking for better commission reporting, start by logging into your ShareASale account. Once logged in, navigate to the Links tab in the main menu. Click on Get a Link/Create a Link. Select the merchant or program you want to promote. You will see a list of available links for that program. Choose an appropriate link based on your marketing strategy. Copy the provided HTML or text link. Next, go to your website's dashboard or content management system. Locate the page or post where you want to add the affiliate link. In the text editor, paste the HTML or text link you copied from ShareASale. If using HTML, ensure you're in the HTML view of your editor. For WordPress users, switch to the Text tab to enter HTML code. Adjust the link text as needed to fit your content. Now, save or update the page or post to apply your changes. Next, set up conversion tracking in ShareASale for better insights. Go back to your ShareASale dashboard and click on Account Settings. Find and select the tracking option in the Settings menu. Here, you can customize your tracking settings according to your needs. Set up any necessary conversion tracking parameters if applicable. Make sure to save your tracking parameters before exiting. After implementing the changes, test your affiliate links. Click on the link to ensure it redirects correctly to the merchant's site. Monitor your ShareASale account for tracked clicks and conversions. Regularly check your reports for commission updates and performance insights. By following these steps, you'll have effective affiliate tracking set up in ShareASale. This will enhance your commission reporting and optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.